YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video courtesy of BESTMOW. BESTMOW.com. Check them out. Link will be down below. All you gotta do is click it and see what they have to offer. Is this right here, BESTMOW T100. Oh yeah, it's here. This is a smart robot with AI intelligence, core mind. Oh baby, comes with a base station, brand new. So they got different pricings up. I think you could like rent to buy, something like that. But double check the link and read about it. And this video, you'll see it install, test run, and a full run. So here we go. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Thank you guys for sending me this unit. I'm a little under the weather right now, so bear with me. And here we go. So right off the top, you get the quick start guide. Huge. Boom. That's the color it is. I think it has headlights. And of course, you can use your Android or the App Store. And this is what's inside. A canopy, a ground peg, screw, charging power adapter, screwdriver, certificate. Not sure what that word is. Descent. And we get a drag and mow tow tool. That's to program the robot for your lawn. If you don't want to use the app, you can use that. Either or. The blade disc, blade set, blade installation, user manual, charging pile installation. Oh boy. So I'm probably going to have to keep it in the backyard. Good Wi-Fi signal, which I do have. Connection. Power to the charging pile. Charging pile. Okay, we could do that. I think, oh, this is the antenna that you're going to need. I think you can put it on the ground too. There it is, their base station. Comes with screws, cable, power adapter, base station. There's a guide. On a roof. I'll figure it out. It's going to be too late to do it tonight, so I'm going to do it first thing in the morning. But I want to do this part right now. Here is, oh, this is the cover. Not sure. Keep this to the side. That might be the base. Might need that. Here we go. We got the satellite or the base station right here. Oh yeah, I'm definitely going to be doing this in the morning. It's going to take a while. It's my first smart robot lawnmower. And now here's a tool to navigate your robot. There's some screws. Yeah, definitely is going to take me a minute to learn. I like to learn. Oh, this is heavy. Alright, hold on. Alright, let's take a look. Whoa. This thing is massive. Oh, baby. There's a display. This thing looks sweet. I'm going to take it out of the box right about now. Oh man, here we go. I cannot wait to take this for a test drive. I'm going to cut that open. I'll show you guys in a second. There's the lights or a camera. Not sure There's cameras on the side. There's the front. This thing is amazing, guys. Look at the wheels. So thank you guys at BESTMOW. YouTubers, check them out. And we're going to get to it in a minute or two. So definitely watch until the end. There's a stopper. Let's see. Whoa. So I got to replace the blade. The wheels. And it's pretty heavy, so if you got older folks, you might want to help them out, set it up. Now we're going to do the setup with the app and then install. So here we go. Alright, now I installed the canopy, which you need these screws, CB4, and this screwdriver that comes with it. It's like I'm not sure what kind you call this, but this is one. Pengangang. I don't know. But there's 4 up here. Right there, you just screw it in. And then to the back. There's 4. And also, here is the power cord. You just hook the head up to this thing right here. And you're good to go. Hopefully it's long enough for my backyard where I need to put it. But I'll figure that out tomorrow. So we got that part done. Here we go. Alright guys, now we got the antenna installed, which was pretty simple. And we can see right here, you gotta put the screws in right there. There's 5 of them. And then screw there. And screw there. And put the cord through there so the USB can connect right through there. There's a cover. And it runs down. Oops. All the way down. So now I got this all set up. These are the replacement for the razor blades. And then there's a razor blade mounting to mount these, I believe. But I'm going to stick this on the ground. So you can have it in different positions. It all depends on where you're living. So so far, pretty easy install. But I couldn't find at first any videos on how to do the install, so I did my best job, and I think I did good. Right there, and then right over there. So we got that part done. I think next is to install the app, and then test run it. So that'll be coming up. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go with the last part of the video. We have the BESTMOW installed right there. The RTK antenna right there. The only thing is I gotta tuck the wire underneath again, so, which is no biggie. It'll take a few minutes. But pretty much all done. This thing is fully charged. And she is ready to go. But pretty cool. I'll show you the app in a second. Here we go. There's the app right there. BESTMOW. There we go. It's gonna take 2 seconds. Alright, here we go. Whoa. It is super quiet. Whoa. Whoa. See, it's gonna knows my pattern. I might have to redo the map. Here we go. He's got a big backyard. This was a pain to always do with the normal lawnmower so long. I don't know where it's going. Come on. There it goes. Whoa. It's kind of awkward hill, seems like. And there's my map. Oh, hey. Easy guy. I have no idea what they're doing. What are you doing? Uh-oh. So this is full battery will be 2.5 hours. So we're not gonna be a 2.5 hour video, that's for sure. But yeah, I mean, it's doing its thing. I mean, it's super quiet, so you could be in the backyard relaxing and getting your lawn cut. Maybe I gotta change the inches on the ground. See if this works. But there's some in the meter going. Oh yeah, there you can tell the difference. My lawn guy is gonna be kind of wigged out. But it's Memorial Day weekend, so he might get a nice day off. But yeah, it is super quiet. I don't know if you can tell, but it is working though. And this is waterproof, so you can do it in the rain. We'll go for a few more minutes because this might be a long video after all. But, uh-oh. What's going on there? Maybe grass is tall. There it goes again. You can see the perfect lines it's doing. Yeah, I gotta do the borders better. So, like I said, I was using the app with the joystick. It's kind of sensitive. So, if you're a first timer like I am, I would definitely use a stick that comes with it, and then do it from there. But unless you're really good at the controllers for your phone, then you can do that. Hotels there, 5%. Total 86 minutes. That's how long it should take to finish. So there you have it, YouTubers. There we go. This is cool. Be safe.